I'm at 7-Eleven Denmark. Kid you not, America. I kid you not. They don't close, just like in America. But these guys got liquor.
24/7 open.
24/7.
Never close.
And what time you stop serving liquor?
Bro, we always sell liquor. We even drink at the job.
I know you're joking about that, but still, 24 hours a day? Is that serious?
7-Eleven is not open 20.
Yeah? No, we don't even serve alcohol on Sundays, like until 11 o'clock in the morning. Yeah. And they stop serving at 11 o'clock at night. Oh. Thank you, Copenhagen. Oh my gosh, cheers. Look at the selection. 24 hours a day. There's your selection. But wait, there's more. The pork. $24 a day. And liquor. Pastries. Got hot foods. Yeah. Your 7-Eleven put out some fresh taquitos like that. Serious? Gosh. I'm just in heaven. I'm gonna come back. I got all night to come back. And getting it. Some pizzas. I'll Google it. And then, yeah, I get the same gist. But yeah, I'm good. Just look at the stuff they got here. Ice cream. Oh my goodness. Cold drinks. Okay, check out their Happy Meals. They got carrots in their Happy Meals. And what's the toy? Your toy is education. It's a pop-up book. Okay? Got mango chili marinated chicken for reals player. How come we don't have a McVeggie Fest, okay? Alright, what is that? What is spicy chicken? What is that? Oh, that looks fire. Look at that. That is not how you spell massage. But anyway, I've got... was going to get original burger, but the original burger had regular old beef. That's boring. The Andy burger has duck in it. So, we'll see. The duck. What is that? Nice. Let's see. Let's give it a shot. $12:30 at night here in Copenhagen, and we got some food options. So let's go check it out.
Yeah. I'll live in my church.
Oh yeah. And some pizzas. mac and cheese. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Alright, there's the entryway. And we are at the Copenhagen Island Hotel. Okay. Oh, deep tub. Okay. 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 Yeah. Yep. Yeah, that's getting filled up. And on my water bill. Let's go. I'm a free shampoo at. All I got is a shower cap, whatever. Like I need that. Okay. Let's see. Go. All right. Enough of that bathroom. Let's go. So, of course, you know. Yep. I feel that water. So there's a little bar. And the coffee is free, found out. Got clarity in there. Give me some room for my own stuff. And then all that stuff, you can go away from me. You ain't tempting me. No, you all up there. It's all accounted for. So yeah. Ain't got to miss it. There you go. Keep all that. Out of sight, out of mind. Alright. Let's go. See what else we got. Is that a closet? Check it out. Check it out. Let's see. Okay, cool. Space, pillows. Okay. Alright, under 2 minutes. Alright, is that a shower? Oh, no. Some light. Okay, cool. Alright. Bed. Cool. Boom, boom. Boom. TV. You know what? Funny times I've been here in Copenhagen. Kid you not. Over about 3 weeks times, and never turned on the TV. This is what Copenhagen does to you. Ain't nothing. This is my TV. There's a mall right there. I lied. 2 minutes. But anyway, you were here with me. And we are something else. Y'all thought I was joking. Look, about to get going on. Got my grape, got my water, got my free peanuts that I already bought. Yeah, got that bubble bath all the way up to the top. Yep, with that hot water. Yeah, we ready. Got my little candles from the competition. Ready. Get that ambiance. See, put the candles close to the mirror and then you double your lighting. I mean, that's just genius. Times like this, you gotta appreciate being in Copenhagen, not a soul in sight. Sunday, around 12 o'clock. All doing good. I just wanted to share this moment with you in the beautiful city of Copenhagen. Let's see how far this artwork actually goes. You guys know what that is? Let me know. Alright, it's actually it's like a museum or something, but anyway, we're here. Alright, really can't see it there, but it starts there, comes around, oh, go back there, a little blurry, there it goes back, and this is when it gets really good. So let's see if we can do this. Oh, by the way, thanks for Airbnb providing this beautiful free bicycle. Hey, get what you pay for. Alright, let's check this out. bike lane. That's what you Americans got to remember. See that? That's for you. Alright. There we go. Alright, don't get scared now. Woo! Let's see. This is like, what is that? Is this paint? What is that? Yeah. It's a little creepy. Alright, I'll scoot back. Alright. Oh yeah, stay in the bike lane. Okay. There we go. And it keeps going on. Like someone had to stay here and each individual had to paint all of this. So I had to take some time. There you go. Is that LeBron? No, it ain't. Let's see. It keeps going around the corner. Oh yeah, buddy. Sure does. Whoa. Oh. There we go. Isn't that cool? That's not even a glare, that's actually paint. So, let's keep it going. Let's keep it moving. Alright. I better appreciate this one-handed. There's your nader. There's your nader. At the Last Supper? No, not the Last Supper. I'm not even paying attention to all this. It's like, what's wrong with this? No. It's like, there's so much. Don't get hit. There's so much. I don't know what that is. That looks like a bubble. That's cool. Just, I mean, I can go on. This is what, 3 minutes? All right, I need about 4, a little bit over 4 minutes. And I'm just gonna shut this off, but like, there's art. What is that? Oh, can't read that. All right, don't get it. All right, Chaz, you're scaring people. You're about to, people. You know how you look like a tourist? You got a cell phone in your hand, riding a bike with one hand. All right, guys, that's enough. Having fun down in Copenhagen.